In this video, I want to show you how to add serial number to your table in Microsoft Word document. After inserting your table like this, and you want to insert serial number, instead of typing it one after the other, there is a simpler and better way of doing it. So after inserting your table like this, highlight the column where you want to insert the serial number, just like this. Then come to Home tab. Then come to Numbering. This icon is numbering. Click on this icon. Then you can see different formats here. So if you want it as number, just click on it. You can see that the serial number has been inputted. So you can now edit it as deemed fit. So if you want to change the format of numbering as it is highlighted, come back to this numbering and change it, for example, Roman number, and you can see it here. The serial number has been inserted. And if you want to remove it, just come back to this numbering and choose none, so it will be removed. Furthermore, if you want to insert it again, come back to numbering and choose any one of your choice. You can even choose alphabets, just like this, or you can choose number like this. So this is how to insert serial number in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching.